Hiya, I'm Laura from Cherubs Chalks Interiors. Welcome to my channel where today I'm going to show you a vibrant dresser flip. So I picked up this lovely little 2-drawer dresser. It's in great condition, but it's very dark. I decided that this makeover had to be bright and cheerful. Just wait until you see the colour I've chosen. The first thing to do with every project is to give it a really good clean. Even if it doesn't look dirty, it probably is. I always use white lightning, which I've mixed up in a spray bottle. I give it a good scrub and then I rinse off with some plain water. Are you ready to see the colour? This is Yellowstone. It's no secret that mustard yellow is one of my favourite colours, and this is an amazing shade. I'm going to start off by using some artist brushes as I need to paint around the handles as they will not come off. These brushes are great for getting into small details, so I'm just going to take a small amount of the Yellowstone and just paint carefully around the handles. I do also have a plan to brighten up these handles, but more on that later. Once I've got some paint around the handles, I'm going to use a premium chip brush to paint the rest of the piece. Brighter colours like yellow can often take a few more coats to fully cover the piece. This one took 3 coats in total, so it's good coverage for a yellow. The reason I love silk mineral paint so much is because it's got a built-in primer and a built-in top coat, so all you need to do is paint. Now, being as we're going for bright and colourful, I've decided to use the Whimsical Wonderland transfer to decorate the side of the drawers with, so that it's gorgeous even with the drawers open. So to do this, we peel off the white backing sheet, position it where we want it, and then I'm using the wooden burnishing tool to burnish this on, and then I'm going to cut around the edges to remove the overhang. Now, before we remove the clear transfer sheet, we need to make sure that the transfer is really well adhered. If you come across any parts that haven't quite stuck, then you just lay the clear sheet back down and burnish them until they are properly transferred onto the wood. To seal and protect the transfer, I'm going to apply 2 thin coats of flat clear coat. I told you I had a plan for the handles. I'm going to be using some bronze gilding wax to freshen them up. Again, using an artist brush, we're just going to get a small amount of wax onto the brush and then rub this all over the handle. And now she's ready. What a simple makeover that was, but what a difference it makes. This piece is almost unrecognisable, from dark and dreary to bright and cheery. I don't know what you think about this new colour, but Yellowstone is sure to be a new favourite of mine. I can't wait to use it again. As always, we are so pleased to have you here to join us on our latest project. If you'd like to see what else we're working on, you can follow us on all of the social media platforms at Cherubs Chalks Interiors. We would love to see you there. Oh, I love this pop of colour from that beautiful transfer. A gorgeous surprise when you open the drawers. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this latest project, so please leave a comment and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we post our next tutorial video. Thanks so much for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you again next time. Goodbye!